What is going on, all my 27,000 subscribers? I hope you're all doing very well. Today is a beautiful day. Just rolling hot down to my local tool shop and check out what's getting around. I need to buy a few things. I've also got to wash my van today. I got to pick up my kids from school. And schedule's pretty clear. I don't really have much work on. I haven't been looking for work. I don't mind work, but I'd rather just do my own thing, see how that goes. So anyway, I'm about a couple minutes away from my local TradeTools, which is like a pretty good tool shop here in Australia. I think they're Australia-wide, and they got a good range of everything. Then I might also cruise over to Bunnings. This Bunnings Warehouse is a huge warehouse. It's got everything. So I need to grab a few things from there as well. But anyway, how you guys been? It's been a while. We've been doing that series with the Drywall Gangsters, and those guys are so good. So good. I think there's like maybe one more video, two more videos to come out of that series, and then looking to do another series very soon. Looking to do some stuff around my own house. I'm so lazy, between you and me. So lazy when it comes to doing work around my own house. Yeah, I don't know what the reason is. I suppose I just prefer going to work for other people. Don't know why, but my house isn't going anywhere, and it's livable. I mean, you should see the pool area. I'll take you down and see the pool area later. That's one of the things that I'm going to be getting, is a submersible pump to pump some of that water out of my pool, because one time soon in the future...
Very nice words, but happens to be wrong.
I won't say soon. One time in the future, I'm going to be fixing that pool area up. Alright, here we got stop number 1. Alright, I just arrived. As you can see me pulling in, obviously I arrived. And just going through a few messages here. Paul Peck shouting me out, trying to win a level 5 skimming blade set. And if they were smart, they'd just give you a set, Paul. The amount of great videos that you put out, they'll have their products in it. You can link them on Amazon. Mate, that is the way to go. So if they're smart, they'd just give you a set. But anyway, I hope you win that. I'm just going to reply to you, love heart. There you go, Paul. And actually what I want to do with you guys is go through, there's so much good content on Instagram, like feature drywall, ceilings and everything like that, and some really good workers off Instagram. They don't seem to get on YouTube too much, those guys. So I'm thinking about sitting down and maybe we can go through it together, and I can show you a few of the, my favorite things on Instagram, maybe a few of the favorite people that I follow, a few of my favorite posts. So that sounds pretty interesting. This video right here, it has no real intent. Just thought I'd say hi and tell you how I'm doing. Actually, I better leave this on. Pretty hot out. I got the air conditioner going. Just before I'm about to rock up into this tool shop, you can see the red wall behind me here, just in the car park. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I was meant to do something for my 25,000 subscriber anniversary, but I didn't. It kind of just flew by, and before I knew it, it was like over 25, and I don't know what I was doing. So I'm thinking about doing a bit of a giveaway. So we're gonna make that up. We're gonna make the rules up as we go in this video. I don't even know how long this video is gonna be. I don't think it's gonna have any value to it, other than maybe you might win something. But actually, this is one of the main things I wanted to talk to you about. Was this whole video is just off the top of my head, alright? It's not planned. I don't like to plan things. When I do plan things, they just go wrong. So best not to plan anything. So you're just gonna bear with me. But you might notice I have, like I was saying, affiliate links to Amazon in my descriptions of some videos. Linking to tools on Amazon, and when you buy them, I might get a small commission. you can say it helps out, but I've never received any money because they don't send the money to Australia. I opted for a check. They don't send it into your bank account. Australia, they don't do Australian bank accounts, Amazon US. So I opted for a check, and I got a $500 check sent to me. I went to take it into my bank, and they said, "Oh, we're gonna have to send this back to America to Wells Fargo Bank, and you're gonna have to wait 2 months, and it's gonna cost another $50." So I got onto Amazon. I said, "Okay, cancel the check. My last option is just gift cards." And a lot of the things I can't even get from Amazon US with the gift cards, and it's slow. So I'm thinking I only got the money because of you great people watching my videos and then having a look at the tools down below because of you. So I'm thinking, how about from now on I'll give all of that back to you guys in the form of little competitions. So that's what I want to do, and I've been meaning to tell you guys for a while, so let me know if you're interested. So we'll start right now. So pretty soon I'm going to have a few $100s in gift cards to give out, but let's start one right now. Maybe we'll buy a tool inside, and I'll give it away, who knows. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So let's just get in this store and see what they got. What I am looking for is the new, and I'm gonna like tag DEWALT. It's the new DEWALT vacuum dust extraction system, not the old one, it's the new one. I'll put a picture of it right here. That one, that's the one I want, and I'm keen to get that. I'm also keen to get the Aeg, if Australia, if you're watching, I messaged you guys. I missed out when you had the 18-volt dual battery vacuum cleaner. I want one of those. If you have any of them laying around the warehouse or whatever, get in contact with me, because Aeg, you never get back to me on anything. I had a rep reach out to me. He wanted to let me use one of the drills that just come out, one of the collated screw guns, and he never got back to me. So I don't know why, because we'd use it in the videos. It's good for you guys. So, and I'd like to test it out. I hear they're pretty good. But yeah, once again, you didn't get back to me. Nobody ever gets back to me. So anyway, who cares? It's all about you guys. And let's get in this shop and see what they got. Hopefully they got these. I don't know when they're out. Maybe if someone knows any more. If I don't find it in the shop, maybe someone can write below if they've seen them out. I'd really like to get my hands on a set. A good vacuum. I've done a lot of vacuum cleaner videos before. I rank pretty highly for vacuum cleaner 18-volt. Type it in, I'll come up. Alright, let's head in there. Just browsing. Yeah, thanks, man.
Feel the country music kick drum deep in your bones. Triple M country.
Nothing breaks like a heart. Miley Cyrus and Mark Ronson.
Alright guys, back in from the store. Actually, I've been looking for this cordless dust vacuum from DEWALT. It's a new one. It's on pre-order. There we go. This one here. Not sure how well you can see it, but DEWALT. Contact me, please. Please get me this tool soon. It's like $800. So I don't know, maybe we could do a video. Maybe we could do a video about it. That'd be good. So what I did buy was one of these tape measures, 5 meter. Got a magnetic hook on the end. What else can I tell you? Two-sided printing. Magnetic holds EMT and steel studs. Up to 9 feet standout. 9 feet standout. That's pretty good. Me and my friends, when I was young, we used to see how far we could pull our tape measures out. See if we could get the record. Anyway, that's what I got. And check this out too. Here is that tape measure on Amazon. So if you want to buy it, check it out. But I'm going to give it away right now. First person who's watched through this whole video so far, I'm going to be sending you one of these puppies. I'm either going to send you one from here. Man, that is blurry. 29 bucks. 29 bucks. Ah, 20 new. 21. 13. I don't get it. 29 bucks up there. Down here 21. I think it's more like 21. I just paid 21. So yeah, if you want it, write tape measure down below and I'll send you one. First one. Right around the corner from TotalTools is TradeTools. Alright, right around the corner here we got TradeTools, which is a different place, and you might recognize it, obviously. Alright, let's roll in and see what this place has got to offer. Hey, how are you, man? look really good too. Get at me, DeWalt. I'm gonna get one of those Makita vacuums. If you're not quick, you won't get at me. I just buy whatever. Alright, next we're gonna go to Bunnings and check Bunnings out. Now this is like the biggest tool shop ever. It's got everything. So let's check that out. That's the store. Pretty big. This is the glue. Instead of screws, you put some glue on. That's for all the people that. It's for all the people that say, "Oh, where's the screws in the centers?" And these, you might notice in some of my videos, there's the gap between the ceiling and the wall. Well, that goes straight over the top. And it's made out of the same material. It's not fireproof or anything like that. But it's made out of the same material, so it is all sealed up. Comes in 5.4 meter lengths and shorter. So that's what that is. It doesn't have to be taped tight.
Look at that! Look at how come nobody ever talks about this?
car parks, I think she said just now. So that's about it for this store. I got myself a sponge. That's about it. I go trade section to buy a sponge. Come on, bro. Quit chatting. Get over here. Alright guys, that's it. I'm back at home now. I hope you enjoyed the little tour around the tool shops. All I bought was a sponge and a tape measure, which I'm going to give away. So to win, what you got to do, mention tape measure in the comments. All you got to do to win the tape measure is type in tape measure in the comments, and I'll give you 24 hours. I'll pick one of the lucky people from a random name generator and I'll send it out to you. So take it easy, and I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways. Like I said before, I'm going to have a surplus of these Amazon gift cards, so I'm going to be giving it right back to you guys, so just to show my appreciation of you watching and your comments. So definitely, if you're not subscribed, subscribe and ring the bell. The last giveaways I've done, it's been so easy to win, like 20% chance you're going to win. So definitely worthwhile subscribing and ringing that bell so you get the notification, because sometimes I'll be like the first person to write tape measure in the comments, gets it. So you want to be quick, you want to respond to my videos really fast if you want to have a chance of winning. Very easy to win. Alright, until next time, I'll talk to you soon, and you take it easy. Bye bye.